Welcome back everyone. In the last video we talked about what a landing page is. Now let's dive into what's a landing page really goods. What's make a landing page really goods. So what's make a landing page goods? Here are the some key features of the landing page that's make it really good. So the first key feature is the clear headline. The headline is the first thing that you see. It should tell you what the page is about and grab your attention. So the headline should grab attention and explain the purpose of the page. So for example, we can say that get your free ebook today. Like in that we are highlighting, we are offering free ebook and this is offer only for the today. So from the headline we are mentioning that. So this is like if the landing page will have the clear headlines, more chance that conversion ratio can be increased. So in terms of the clear headlines, the headlines should grab attention and explain the purpose of the page. So the second feature of the good landing page will be focused content. Means a landing page has content that is directly related to its goals. It tells you what the offer is and why it's matter to you. Like the content is simple and directly support the goal of the page. Like for which goal we have created this page, we have to make the content according to that without any distraction. So the third features of the good landing page will be call to action, that is the CTA. A strong CTA, like a strong call to action, is very important. It's tell you exactly what to do next, like sign up or buy now. The CTA should stand out and be easy to find. Like for any landing page, if we want to increase the conversion ratio by some X amount, like by some X%, like the conversion ratio now it's coming 40, so we have to increase it by 80. So for that we have to highlight the good CTA button. CTA can increase our conversion by multiple percent. So the next feature is of the good landing page is the simple design. Means a good landing page has the clean and simple look without distraction. There should be no confusing links or side menu. The goal is guide you toward one action. Like in the simple design we have to focus only the customer, the visitors have to take only one action. It can be form fill, it can be some buying thing online, or it can be downloading the things from the online website. Let's talk about why these features are so important. They help business connect with their audience and make it easy for you to take action. So on the basis of that, these features are very important. They help business connect with their audience and make it easy for you to take action. Do you want to know why landing pages are powerful? Stay tuned for the next video where we will explore that. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.